Playing against Team Signal.
As the officials are being introduced in our game, ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you very much for joining us right here on Solar Sports from the Phil Sports Arena in Pasig City. This is match number 11 of the ongoing Philippine Superliga. Noel Zarate alongside Noreen Go and Ricky Flores. And we have, of course, Danilo Bongkingi, our first referee, and Efren Gaha will be our second referee for this match. We're going to meet the starters for both squads. Now, talk about Cagayan Valley. Ricky mentioned in her report earlier that they have no superstars, according to Nespa Millar. Well, actually, in their own right, individually, there could be superstars, especially starting with this young lady here over here, Bang Pineda.
The franchise.
And Pineda will be joined in the starting lineup by Jen Manzano, Sandra De Los Santos, who has just been playing spectacularly for them, Wendy Ann Semana, of course, the former champion from FEU, Joy Casas and Joy Benito. So nothing new with this starting lineup. In fact, Joy Benito has now become a steady part of that starting lineup. She has dislodged Lisa De Ramos from that starting lineup. The first time Joy Benito played here, she only played a cameo in that win against the TMS Philippine Army, but then came back to score 18 points in her next game, and now she's in the starting lineup. Jack Jonella, of course, one of the best liberos in the country, and there's Nespa Millar, former FEU coach, and a little bit of camaraderie going on over there. How about Signal HD? They did not like their last loss against Bingo Millonario.
Yeah, and they really have to improve on their success rates. You know, when you're talking about 12 out of 10,000, that's a bad sight to see.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, Argarin, Venus Bernal, Hendrauli, Michelle Datuin, Rap Aguilar, and Royce Tubino, with the great Jen Reyes, of course, joining them there. Venus still has a lot of fans.
Well, of course, she hasn't changed. We were talking about it earlier. Look at her physique. Look at, you know, her lift. She hasn't changed a bit.
So this is going to be an interesting matchup as we take a look at Sammy Akailar, the head coach of Signal HD. This will be an interesting matchup. Actually, in the libero spot, you're talking about probably two of the best liberos in the country coming out of college right now, going up against each other. Jack Jonella for Cagayan Valley, and of course, Jen Reyes for Signal.
That's right.
There's, of course, Joy Cases, Joy Gazelle Cases.
With sporting a different hairdo.
Yeah, exactly. There are a lot of people here with a different hairdo. Jen Manzano, of course, used to have a really long hair as well. It looks like there's Jen Reyes. We're talking about her right now. Looks like Sheila Pineda has been selling a lot of clips today. We can talk about that with our fans. Jack Jonella, of course, in
Even
her
Manzano.
usual pose. Yeah.
Even Manzano.
Sheila Pineda's made a lot of money today, huh? We are getting things underway with a serve from Marian Argarin. Underway now, Jen Manzano and Jen Reyes immediately getting busy, mopping the floor, but a collision between Argarin and Rap Aguilar. That second ball supposed to be for the setter, Rap, and it's a violation against Signal.
Well, of course, you know, she's eager to show her wares here, but over-eager in that play.
Yep, Wendy Ann Semana. The serve right now, a sharp one, falls right in front of Danica and Rowley. 2-0, Cagayan Valley.
You know, I was so excited to watch Wendy Ann Semana play again after quite a long while.
Time, yep.
And also, she hasn't changed much.
Still looks like she's in college
right.
as well. Here's the running attack. Michelle Datuin, dug up there by Semana. And Joy Benito getting that across, and Rap wasn't ready.
Well, defense a bit sloppy here for Signal.
3-0 for the Rising Suns. Semana, of course, won a championship in the UAAP in 2008 as a member of the Far Eastern University, coached by Nespa Millar. Venus Bernal misses. No check coming, and you know that was one of the reasons why Signal actually did lose to Bingo Millonarios. That Venus Bernal, after a great start in the first set, just could not get anything going in the next 3 sets.
Well, again, I always mention that you have to give these girls a chance.
And Rowley and Reyes collide. That's as if Signal doesn't know each other at this point.
That's right. They need to start communicating. It's a bunch of, you know, players from obviously different schools or organizations, and they're coming together, so they've got a community.
Semana's been serving very well. 5-0. Rap going off the block. Sheila Pineda fielding it. Semana now across. Joy Benito. Nice block by Datuin. Here's Semana now on the back set. Joy Cases trying to sneak that one in. Argarin now. There's going to be a free ball given up here by Jen Reyes. Another chance here for the Rising Suns. Semana goes to the combination. Joy Benito.
That's right. You have to use that combination play.
Look at this, a 6-0 start. An early timeout by Samia Kailar. We really can't make out what Samia Kailar is saying to his team right now, but you know, they've been bumping into each other a lot, Noreen, and you've seen this happen before. You've also experienced playing with a bunch of people that you don't know.
Right.
And, well, they've been together for quite a while, so this should not be an issue for them.
Well, you know, for me, coming to this tournament, the team with the most advantage is Team Army because they have been together for quite a while. But the challenge is for the other squads who obviously have different players, again, like I was saying, different universities, different organizations. The challenge is for each coach to actually put them all together.
Well, that's in stark contrast, of course, to the Cagayan Valley Rising Suns. Their lineup, as Venus Bernal finally scores for Signal, their lineup was actually put together practically overnight.
Wow.
There was a time when they actually had a full lineup, and then all of a sudden they only had 5 players left in their lineup. Then came Semana, then came Benito, then came Manzano, then came Cases.
After a lot of prayers.
Right. Here's a combination now for Joy Cases, who will miss wide. And that's one of the things you have to go with Joy Cases. It's a high-risk, high-reward kind of a play.
That's true.
So back-to-back points right now. Michelle Datuin coming off a 6-point performance in the loss to Bingo Millionario, which had a bunch of her former teammates there. Bernal, airborne. There you go, Venus.
Well, that's Venus Bernal of old. You know, it's sad, no, that sometimes they can't really keep up. You know,
Right.
they have good starts, but again, give them a chance. I tell the crowd or the viewers, give them a chance.
Right now, the score is 6-3. Rap Aguilar keeping it alive. Oh, Bernal gives up a free ball. Here's Semana now going on a combination to Joy Benito. Hendrauli, Argarin, Royce Tubino.
Whoa.
Nice dig by Wendy.
Told you she hasn't changed.
Right. Tubino. Oh, wow. That was just a single block coming from Joy Benito, who's not really known for her defense.
That's right. Read it well. Good anticipation.
Sandra De Los Santos will make her first appearance in the front line right now. You know, she fired 6 aces, and every time we cover Sandra in the past, we always say that the only thing she needs to be consistent with is her serve. Now, it's working.
That's
that
right.
makes her dangerous.
6 aces. Ain't pretty bad.
18 points total. And of 22 attempts, she only faulted twice in their last match. Venus, nice dig by Pineda. Benito, nice dig by Hendrauli. They go to Venus once again, off the block, and Pineda cannot track it down.
So you gotta give credit to the floor defense of Cagayan.
Venus Bernal has now scored 3 of their 4 points. Off to an early start. She actually holds, Venus Bernal actually holds the league record for scoring after scoring 24 points. That hasn't been eclipsed since. And there's a violation somewhere. Wendy Semana overreaching.
You know, speaking of Wendy Semana, she's one setter that I can see dive like a boy. So the whole body
Right,
is
right.
parallel to the ground.
Right.
And that's not very easy to do.
Well, you know what? She's got the skills of a libero. And I was actually making a point to Mozy Ravena the other day as Sandra De Los Santos tries to make her presence felt, and it is a violation here. We're going to get to that point later on. 8-5 right now in favor of Cagayan Valley.